what's up guys? Today we got a 2021 Jeep Trackhawk in for a really big parts list. We got a lot of mods, as you can see, ranging from the pulleys to fuel upgrade, big K&N intake. It's gonna be a big build. Hope you guys are ready for it.
Alright guys, so what we're gonna have being installed in the Trackhawk. First we have here is the JMS Fuel Max voltage booster for the fuel system. Next we also have the J&L oil separator. We are also doing a pulley and belt kit on it, as well as a ATI super dampener crank pulley. We also have the ID 1700s because he is going to be on E85.
Taking some big boy power.
We are. Next, we also have, he went with the K&N filter intake system. And then also we have here, we have the Cook's mid pipe, high flow catted mid pipes. We are not doing headers on the car. He doesn't want to do headers. He just wants it to be somewhat tamed. So we're only going to do the mid pipes and leave everything else in the exhaust system stop. I don't think we have anything else. Oh yeah. He also wants to add a little bit of something extra in the interior, so we are going to do interior lighting on the vehicle as well.
Always got cool stuff coming by MTech, bro.
It's not a rat's nest, you know what I mean? Yeah, no rat's nest around here.
And it's got the
There's the RB soon.
Never.
Never.
Anything else that are going on is a J, brother.
I can live with that.
what do you want for it? Or the customer car?
No, it's going for
What do you want for it then?
35.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all. Kobe, that's you, my boy. I know the 335 would be nice, but this you. This you. JDM lifestyle.
Guys, Charlton here, MTech Performance, and we're getting this Trackhawk almost ready for the road. The injectors have been already installed, and the idler pulley is installed, and also the main pulley on the supercharger, which we did have to remove the supercharger to get this in because there's a special tool that goes with this. So it's pretty much together. We're gonna have this thing running very soon, so hang tight guys, you're gonna see this thing on the road soon.
How y'all doing today out there on YouTube? We got a lot of videos that came this last couple months. Hope you guys enjoyed them. We got another killer video here coming up. We're going to talk a little bit about Jakeem Grant. Plays for the Cleveland Browns right now.
Fields from the 4. Can he find room? Look at him go again down the sideline. 97 yards.
We got his Trackhawk here. We're doing a bunch of mods to it. We're doing the upper pulley, lower pulley, wheels, lowering, E85, injectors, booster pump. A lot of things are going to be going into this car. Right now we got the wheel on the tire machine, the Vossen Evo 2 brushed, and it's painted in a translucent gold. Shout out to Kevin at Vossen, KJ Vossen. He always takes really good care of us. So if anybody else needs any help, you can contact us or him as well. And just take a look at this wheel. The color on it is beautiful. We really got to get some lighting on here so you guys can really see it. Alright, so here we got Charlton, we got German. They're unboxing, they're unwrapping. Got Charlton over there taking the plastic off. We got the new rubber right here. Nothing but the best Michelins. So we got 4 Michelins, 4 wheels, getting together, getting ready to go on this trackhawk. We are gonna switch up the color of the calipers. So we're gonna be taking the calipers off. Haven't chose what color the calipers are gonna be yet, but stay tuned and you'll see later on in the video.
We ain't got no ice, but we got frozen mozzarella sticks right there. All the cheese. All the cheese, all the pound.
It's so fast we must stick, bro.
That's gonna get like 10, 50, that's probably like 10 wheel horsepower right there.
So today we got Jakeem Grant's 2020 Jeep Trackhawk. Of course, he brought it to us. He wanted us to do some mods to it. He normally doesn't keep any of his car stock. He likes to modify pretty much everything he owns. He's had a lot of Mercedes in the past. He decided to switch over and see what the Hellcat world and the Trackhawk world's all about. He brought the car to us. We did some bolt-ons to the car. We did 2.75 upper pulley. We did a 10% lower pulley. We also have the upgraded billet coolant thermostat on the car. We also have an upgraded belt tensioner, new belt. We had a K&N intake. Unfortunately, we were trying to get a JLT intake, but JLT had nothing available to offer us right away. Jakeem was trying to get his car done right away, so shout out to JLT. Make sure you guys get us some intakes in the future. We'll definitely support you guys and advertise them. So now, we also sent the car out to E3 Customs. They did a star liner with some shooting stars in it for us. It came out extremely dope. They do a phenomenal job with their star liners. You can rub your hand here across. You don't feel any of the stars. They really do an awesome job with their work. They also wrapped the headliner as well as the visors in suede. This car had that original, perforated material for the headliner before. So we didn't get to document this car as much as we wanted to. We had a tight time window on this car that we had to get completed for Jakeem. We got this car completed in, I'd say, a few weeks, including everything, the headliner, the wheels, the tires, lowering it, supercharger off. Car also has upgraded fuel injectors, has a JMS upgraded booster pump. Car is also on full ethanol. So this car definitely made some jam. We're definitely gonna take it on the road, see what it feels like. You guys ready? We're in Jakeem's Trackhawk. We're gonna give it a little test launch after we just took it off the dyno. Apply full brake pressure, full throttle.
Oh God! Oh my goodness! I was looking at straight sky just now.
Yeah. It's a pretty aggressive launch.
Yeah.
Definitely a fun car.
Listen to that whine.
Yeah, that supercharger sounds beautiful. highly recommend get a Trackhawk, bring it to us, and this is the outcome.
Oh wow, that was crazy.
I love how you hear the supercharger on the downshift.
Yeah, sounds amazing.
Hey man, old lady, get out the way.
Damn, what is that, bro?
Jesus Christ.
That feels amazing.
I love this thing. Handles good. It's fast.
Yeah. I felt that all in my stomach.
I can feel it in my, kind of feel it in my cheek.
I can't feel my face.
That whine sounds amazing.
I don't think I can ever get tired of it. Listen to this. All day, every day, 24/7.
It's like power in every gear too. Let's get it. Damn! Woo! This thing moves. Sheesh.
She's violent.
Yeah, this thing moves.
Very violent. She's a little scary. You know, after a couple testing and hits,
Kind of get used to it, I guess.
you get used to it.
I just can't get over that whine. It sounds like a violin. Sheesh.
The nice 63
I can't believe they took the track out without me. It's crazy. That's my favorite car.
My estimate is gonna be like a 9.9, maybe 9.8.
I'm definitely shooting for 9s for sure.
What you get?
What do you think it's gonna run in the quarter?
What you get?
9 with the heat.
This is
I'm
nice.
doing it tonight.
Hey, 9.5.
9.5?
We gonna give it a lot. Hey, we shooting for the stars.
Charlie, what do you think it's gonna run in the quarter?
Charlie doesn't believe any other car is fast except for his C63. So
It's gonna do like 10.
A 10?
that you
A
see
10?
you see what I'm talking about?
I
You see what I'm talking about? Only his car's fast. You can't ask Charlie.
10.5.
10.5?
Yeah.
That's why you cannot ask
It's heavy,
Charlie.
it's heavy.
But it has 900 horses.
It's got weight.
What
Yeah,
that-
but you
that
don't really
helps.
feel it, to be honest with you. You want to change that 10.5?
Did you? Have you went for a ride along in this yet, Charlie?
Yeah, I rode in it.
It doesn't feel like a 10.5
When,
car.
though? After we dynoed it the second time or before?
When you drove
2
this
days
car,
ago.
did you put that in traffic?
You drove it. You were in here 2 days. Oh,
Yeah.
but you weren't. Were you really
I did it like second gear, third gear.
in track mode or auto?
in track mode or what?
Nah, just step on it.
Oh,
Oh.
see, Charlie so
Oh.
weird. He didn't even feel it.
It's definitely, it don't feel like a 10.5, I'll tell you that.
Charlie only thinks his car is the fastest car ever. He doesn't believe in any other car but his.
Right now.
30, 60. Quarter mile. Half mile. 30, 60.
ha 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 ha.